Right, hello guys. So, so I am going to make a second black hole. Uh, if it's you could call it a black hole, it's but I intended it to be but it's a wheel. So and I got lots of variations of it. I got countless variations of it. So I got this, 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 and these are nice wheels, by the way. Mm, and finally this. So now, we, I will show you how to run this code. Uh, mm, Now, so if I run this right now, then there'll probably be lots of problems here, so I won't run it. So I'm going to make a new file. Um, wheel dot we we wheel spin dot. So it's basically so so it's basically extended size of a shape. I'll show you what that means. So wheel dot speed. Wait no. Wheel equals charter dot pound. Wheel dot speed 0. Bro. White. Ha 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 ha. As I was saying, wheel no turtle dot screen dot bg color black. Wheel dot wheel dot width 5. Depth windmill. Size. Actually, do we need size? I don't think nah. We just need size and legs. Actually, depth windmill size, legs, fly range, legs. Uh, Windmill. Nah, windmill 105. For legs. Wheel dot forward size times 2. Wheel dot back size. Wheel dot left 360 over legs. So yeah, we got it. So yeah, we've got that. Now let's do 6, 8, 10, 12. Should do 20 is next. Shh. No, I'm doing a. Don't forget, I'm doing a video outside there. Uh, Sorry about that. 20. Actually, 50, 20, 50. 30. Wow. Uh, size 2, size 2, 50. Uh, 50. Nah, that's too big. uh 50 50 100 50. That's going to be hard. I forgot the exact parameters. 90. Hmm. Yo, 60. Easy. 72. Hmm. 72. 90. Ooh. Nah, no, still bad. 400. 390. Wow. Wow. 120. I hope it's going to be a bigger wow. 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 Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow. That's much better. No. Wow. Yep. So that was as easy as that to create windmills like these. Uh, they're much more simpler because because uh because I was actually nah, that's too big. That's too hard. Yeah. Now I made them simpler because you asked for simple stuff. Uh, because I make too much complex stuff where you probably do not understand. Yep. Now we've done that. We know. So how do we do? So now how do we do that then? Wheel dot up. Wheel dot go to. We'll probably need a calculator. 1500, 1498. So we'll need a calculator for this because the circumference is because the where's calculator? There it is, calculator. Uh, circumference because circumference is 2 times 360. That's 720. That's circumference, and that divided by pi. That would be the diameter. We get this. Now now we need to divide this by 2 again. Because now we have this. Looks like because we only because we only want the radius, not the diameter. Uh, so now so now we go to this value. Uh, windmill. Uh, oh no. As I was saying, wheel dot down. Much better. Now, oh, actually, nah. Should be 9 minus. No, oh gosh. No, 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 no. Forward side. Ah, there it is. There's a problem. Uh, much better. Oh, yo. Wow. This is actually nice. Wow. This is actually nice. Now we have a second black hole. Yeah, black hole. So now it looks like a second black hole. To make it really black hole, let's now add some color. So, how are we gonna do this? We'll go up. Actually, the and now function. Uh, Iron range. Nah, not firing range. We'll do, we'll do down, basically. Pen up. So pen up. We'll dot. We'll dot. Pen up. We'll dot back. We'll dot go to 0, 105 actually. Uh, Circle. Wheel dot circle 105. Color gray. Wheel dot circle 105. You. Uh. Ah. Wheel dot go. Uh. So that's bad. Negative 105. Funk. Actually, I'm not even going to bother with this because that actually is a bad function. Now let's do this. This is. Well, less. It's just a matter of copy and paste instead. Let's delete this. Delete this and delete this. 100. Wheel dot color white. Wheel dot circle 100. Now, I guess that's the end of this video, guys. Now subscribe, like. Thanks for 48 subscribers. We're so close to 50. Please subscribe so that it can happen. I will be doing a song then. Like this video. Comment. Actually, not comment. Share this. Uh, and do anything you want with it. Uh. But please don't violate copyright though. Uh, I guess that's it. Uh, for the black hole. Nah, actually that isn't. No, actually that isn't the end of this video. It should be 100, 95, 95. I could have done. I could have just added -5 instead. But that was bad. Actually, this is a real end of this video, so I guess thanks for 48 subscribers. Please like and subscribe. We're so close to 50 subscribers, by the way. So subscribe, and I will be singing a song as a 50 subscriber special then. So like and subscribe and share this video. Uh, Not comment and do anything you want with this video. But please do not violate copyright and copy any of my content and post it up. Actually, you could distribute this. I give you permission. Goodbye.